Hi, I'm sorry. I thought I included an extra slide for you to add slides with the same border in the set, and apparently I did not. Thank you to the person who called that to my attention. I wanted to show you just really quickly how you can do it. I've included a slide. The background is part of the slide. You may only use the slide for these or for your personal use. This is not my clip art. I'm not giving it away. But it will allow you to add additional slides to your slide deck for your digital morning meeting. So if you want to make them look like the originals, you will need to go download KG blank space solid, and I will put a link to that. If you are using this for personal use, which you should be, then you can download it and use it for free. That's what makes up this. Now, in order to make this the different colors, I literally went through and did it this way. I go through and I add a letter. Now, the easiest way to do this is to go to more colors, and then I would do them all at one time. If you're in PowerPoint, click the little droplet thing, and I pulled the colors directly from the slides themselves. So you can literally go through and grab just hover over that color, and it will give you that color. So I find this easiest to do in PowerPoint, and then upload to Google if that's what I'm doing. But if you don't have PowerPoint, you can probably do it in Google. I will look at how that gets done. Wrong thing. And so we're literally, I'm sure there's a faster way to do this. I actually have a whole palette that I can save, but I can't see a way to transfer that to you. So you can pick the colors you want. They don't have to all be the same. Now we're into green. So you're going to do that for whatever colors that you want, if you want them to match the original. And then once you've done that, let me do one more. I have them outlined. So what I've done is I've literally just highlighted it. I've gone to design. And then, I'm sorry, I don't go to design. Go to shape format. So if you highlight, if you highlight it and go to shape format, then you can just do text outline. I think I probably did it at 2.5, maybe. You can decide what thickness you want it to be at. You could make it a different color if you want to. They're outlined, I believe, in black in the original. And that way it gives it some definition. And then you can add anything that you want to on this slide. Then save this slide. I would save it as a picture. Is going to be the easiest way, or you can just move it in. Now the border won't move because it's attached. So you're going to want to save it as a picture without your moving pieces, because if you just put it in this way, once it's a background, because the border is a background, it's not going to carry over to another presentation. So you can either do this in your original slide deck that you're using, or you can do this and then just go to File, Export, and you can actually export it as a JPEG and choose whether you want every slide or the current slide. And it should pick up the regular width, and you should be fine. And then you can just insert that background into your PowerPoint. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how you can add these things in. And if you have any questions, let me know.